The night bears witness, and the walls remember. In the heart of the palace, where flame and shadow entwine, the circle gathers, seers, priests, and witches bound by fate's design. Their voices weave the old songs, their hands mark the chosen with dust of the divine. Inside the grand hall of the Orisha's temple, a sacred council is convened. Seers, priests, and witches stand in a circle, their robes heavy with the weight of unseen power. The voices of the converged divine. The prophets speak, but their words are heavy with warning. The boy before them is no ordinary warrior. His name is already etched in destiny's scroll. The blind seer stands at the edge of the gathering. Time has withered his sight, but in its place, the spirits have given him vision beyond mortal comprehension. His milky eyes stare past the veil of the present into the shifting tides of destiny. In a voice like wind through hollow bones, the blind seer speaks. The sky trembles at his birth, the earth shakes at his steps. He will wield the power of gods, but gods do not bow to men. The Congress of Witches, Wizards, Warlocks and Priests spoke of a divination in chains and tatters. They spoke of and whisper of love, death and blasphemy. His name will be praised in war, but cursed in peace. He will rule hearts but lose his own. He will seek love, but love will undo him. The wind howls through the palace. Ajanaku's eyes narrow slightly, his fingers pressing into the stone beneath him. Truth is a heavy thing, but the heaviest truths are those we refuse to carry. Ajay, the witch who never ages, stands just beyond the firelight, where the shadows stretch long and the air is thick with unseen forces. The Congress of Witches, Wizards, Warlocks and Priests chant their incantations, but she remains silent, watching. Her golden eyes gleam from the darkness, twin embers burning with knowledge too great, too dangerous for mortal tongues to speak. When she finally steps forward, the fire does not touch her. She bellows, "Thunder will bow before you, but your shadow will consume you. Who will save you when your own hands are stained with fate?" Ajay, with her well-lit golden eyes, stared the young warrior down, unblinking, unwavering. The glow from her gaze cut through the dim firelight, casting eerie reflections on the sacred walls. She did not move, did not speak, only watched, daring him, taunting him, peeling back the layers of his spirit with a gaze that saw beyond flesh, beyond bone, beyond the fragile resolve of men. She searched him, not just for weakness, but for truth. Would he flinch? Would he look away? Would he surrender, as so many had before him, beneath the weight of her stare? But the boy, no, the warrior, held firm. His jaw clenched, his breath steady, though he could feel her pressing into the depths of his being, searching for the moment he would falter. Ajay's lips curled slightly, something between amusement and expectation. The boy does not flinch. He has made his choice. He will seek power. The boy emerges from 3 realms of spirit covered in flames, and in that moment, Ajanaku was born.